Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Farish Irfan bin Muhammad Azeman from JIM1104B. My group member and I will present about courseware development. I hope you will enjoy the video. Introduction. Technical support refer to the service that firm offer to consumer of technology, goods or service. In general, technical support is help with specific problems with a product or service. We have developed a game using Educandy as an initiative for students to make it easier to understand and more enjoy learning the subject. This game show a little bit about the topic in the subject. Statement of problem. Students should understand more deeply about the subject of technical support and maintenance for information agencies so that all tasks can be implemented successfully. First of all, students must understand what should be known in this course. The extent to which student acceptance of the subject can be seen after this game is played, because there may be some of us who find it difficult to remember all the components. Perhaps in this way, it will help students to be better understand and will increase student interest, especially in this subject.
Thank you to Farish Irfan. Next, I will continue the presentation with the apps that we use to provide a game for the student. Okay, for the apps that we use Educandy as a medium, as a platform to make a game for the student. Okay, in this application, we have three types of game, but inside of this, we have many more games, multiple games. Okay, for example, about words. Okay, I will show you. Okay, in this game, we have word search, spell it, and anagrams. Okay, we can make a question, and then the question will show like this, like a word search, and then we have spell it, and then we have anagram. Okay, then we have matching pair. Okay, like this we have four types of game about matching pairs. We put the question like this. Okay, I will show you later about how to make this game. Okay, and then we have quiz question. Okay, quiz question like this. What color is grass? Multiple choice of the answer. Okay, for the words, to make the question is like this. Okay, I will the name of the question, for example, like this. Okay, for the example of the question is like this. Okay, then you can put the question on the word, put the question, and then we can put more words after that. Okay, next I will continue about how to make question for matching pair. Okay, first of all, let me open this. Okay, this is the interface for create a matching pair. Okay, as usual, we need to put the detail. Okay, we'll detail here, and then I delete this first. Okay, for example, this is the question. Okay, and then we create. Okay, okay, for the add pair, and or we call matching pair, for this section, okay, I need to put the same letter, and student must find the same letter with their first choice. Okay, for example, I will put here as processor. So the student need find the match answer with same as the question here. Okay, the answer must be same with the question. Okay, like this. This is for the matching pair. Okay, then I will not save this because I already have this question. I will go to my account. Okay, next I will continue with the quiz question. Okay, this is how we make a quiz question. Okay, let me open this first. Okay, as usual, put the title. Okay, like this. Okay, and then I will create a new one. Okay, this is the interface for the quiz question. Okay, wait for it. Alright, like this. Okay, we need insert the text. We also can insert the picture or voice for our question. And then this is place where we put the question. Okay, here. And then this is the place that we put the answer. Okay, we have alternative answer, which will be multiple answer. Okay, for this quiz, it's so easy to do because just need to type the question, then they will have four multiple choice answer that we need to insert. Okay, for this question also we have timer. Then I will show you later for the how to answer the question. Okay. Okay, hello. This is the example of the game. Okay, this is the title up here, IMD222, and then we have quiz game. Okay, we need to multiple choice. We need touch here, and then okay, the question will appear like here. Okay, this is multiple choice, and then by Adib Azzamil for subject IMD222. Okay, play, and then this is the example of the game. Okay, to listen to my music on my computer, I need to have white card. Okay, here we have timer. We only have 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay, this also will have timer, how much time we take to answer all the question. Okay, for this answer, sound card. Okay, if right, here our score. Okay, okay, next, this is the question, but what if we wrong? Okay, okay, if we wrong, there is no mark given, and they will give the right answer. Okay, that is the example for the quiz game. Next, I will pass to Izzanie Fitri for explain the second game.
This is PC Courseware for Education Board Game 2. As we can see, there are three types of games here, which is word search, spell it, and anagrams. But we want to play only one game, which is word search. So let's get into the games. As we can see, there are simple and colorful interface here. And on my right side, we can see the option for the answer that we need to find. We have printer, processor, ROM, and many more. This is the timer. This time counts how much time it takes to finish to find the answer. So let's try to find one word. So if the answer is correct, it will mark in green. The answer choices also be marked in green. But if we mark the wrong answer, it will not detect the answer we want to choose. So this is the way how students to play this game.
Okay, next, I will continue with educational board game 3. Okay, as you can see, here we have 5 types of game, which is match up, crosswords, not and crosses, multiple choice, and memory. So, you can see here we have so many types of game, and we'll give a student more choices to play the game that they want. Okay, I will choose a memory question to show to you guys how to answer this question. Okay, I will open here. Okay, you can see memory question, and then IMD222 as a title, and then by Azzamil, make it. Okay, then okay. Here you can see 10 flipboards. Okay, on your right you can see timer, and then under this is best time. If you have done this before, then you already have best time. Okay, for example, I will flip the first card. Okay, the answer is motherboard. Okay, so I need to find the same answer as this. Okay, okay, so the wrong answer will flip back the card. Okay, printer, and then the question will like this if the question is true. Okay, next we try again motherboard, and then here motherboard. Okay, like this. With this game, student memory will improve a lot, because they need to remind which question is which card already have the question. Okay, next for I will pass to Hanif to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Adib, for your explanation. Okay, next I will explain about the novelty and uniqueness of our solution, that is Educandy. For now, we already use Educandy for our project, and from my experience, I have identified 6 points of novelty and uniqueness from this game. For the first point is easy to access. In terms of the game's interface, it will make it easy for the user to understand, and it is user-friendly and can be used by people of all ages. In addition, users can easily access Educandy using code or click at the link given. Then you can start learning and answering questions. The next point is free of charge. This application is available on both Android and iOS users. We can get the apps through the App Store for iOS users and Play Store for Android users. And of course, it is free of charge. In fact, we can access this application using smartphone, tablet, laptop, or PC. For the third point is creative method in answering the question. There is a various type of game that can be played, such as word game, quiz game, and matchup game. The user can answer the question based on the type of game and time given, so it will be more adventurous and challenging educational game. For the point number 4 is attractive. The interface is very colorful and has multiple choices of game that can make the user choose any game that they want and enjoy the game. Other than that, Educandy have very interesting animation for users that can make it less boring to user. Next is point number 5. Gain knowledge while playing game. Nowadays, teenagers are more interested to play video games rather than studying because it is fun. With Educandy, they can play games and at the same time, they can gain new knowledge. So, we can use this medium of platform for 21st century education. For the last point is the most futuristic way of education. We can get knowledge anytime and anywhere because the apps can be used freely. The user did not need the teacher to teach them because every method of learning is ready in Educandy.
Okay, for the next slide, we are going to the commercialization potential. As we all know, commercial potential is a technology commercialization opportunity for candidates. It is used to get closer to the market and make it more advanced. For example, Educandy application is designed and makes learning more interesting because it can create games about education and share our own interactive activities online. So, let's take a look at this application's commercialization potential. Okay, the first one, we can look at this application will be target or focus at IT students, which is the information technology students, because in this application there are games related to the IT course, which is about the technical or components on the computer. Students who have skills or knowledge in this course will probably learn how to use, learn or play it. Next, other people also can join to take part in this game and learn some new components. This can interest others about this application even if the subject or course is different. The games we create also not too difficult to play and suitable for people of all ages and educational levels. Lastly, lecturers and teachers can also take part in this game and use it as a quiz to show to their students. This can give students the opportunity to use this technology and they do not get bored while learning. They will be more motivated to learn and instructor can save their time, money and so on. This is because this application is free and so simple to play no matter where they are or what time it is. So we are going to the last part, which is the conclusion. Finally, this application can provide knowledge to the participants and allow them to take advantage of the latest technology. After studying on how this application is used, we can see that this application is very important because it can provide many benefits, especially to the students or instructor. It is not only for entertaining, but it allows students to learn about the current technology. They can also build the new skills because this application can be used for the education. To continue to progress and be used in the future, every user must appreciate and use this technology effectively.